Welcome to our Words of Elegance, History and Culture, the beautiful land of Myanmar, where fashion meets tradition through the timeless of the Myanmar dress has meet Myanmar dress and the nice colors on the nice designs. Through the timeless charm of Myanmar dress. Also now, as it Myanmar tradition attire from the gentle flow of skill to artist embroidery. Every thread of this dress tells a story of pride, beauty and heritage. Myanmar tradition, yes. Now locally as longi for women has been a symbol of national identity of centuries. The woman has become often called hitman is not just clothing, it's a piece of art crafted with love, patience, and incredible skills. The Myanmar dress blend in elegance whether it wants at wedding, cultural festival, or everyday life. It reflects the modesty and grace of Burma. Women's soft silk, hand women's cotton, and natural dyed create stones, emerald, green, ruby red, fair blue, each color inspired by Myanmar dress and traditionally top part of outfit. Now as the perfectly with the together they from a complete look at highlight both tradition and modern charms. Women with complete their outfit with dedication, thank a pastry on their cheeks are traditional natural cosmetics that add glow and fragrance. Or time the Myanmar dress have designer has added a modern twist, intricate lace, border sparkling and stylish cuts, yet the essence remains the same. Culture beauty prevails through generations. Each region of Myanmar has its own style of dress in floral pattern, peaceful water designs symbolizing prestige and nobility in fabric with modern fashion, creating a trend that bridges the past and present. Every Myanmar dress is made with dedications, being used for centuries in modern fashion, inherited emotions from special occasions like of traditional wedding. Women wear their finest Myanmar dress, a shimmering fabric, gold jewelry, and flowers tucked behind their hair. Each look celebrates from femininity, grace, and cultural pride. The beauty of the Myanmar dress lies not only in how it looks, but what it represents: respect, traditional unity. It connects generations from grandmother who wear hand-dyed cotton to modern women wearing designer skill creations.